Heil wis du, ostara. Du bist du guten lichtes, guten gutnesi, guten rechti. Du bist kund si erdu barnum, o mara. Du bringes ubel si niuchte, o warta. Wir minnont dich, ostara, Theoro. So du gibest samma fyllo zu uns, o Mutter. Sigut si dir, ostara, ustguten. Hail, Easter, thou who art that goddess of light, goddess of goodness, goddess of righteousness, thou who art known to earth's children, O famous one, thou who bring evil into oblivion, O guardian. We love you, Easter, dearly, as you give so much to us, O Mother. Triumph to thee, O Easter, dawn goddess. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. And if you really like the channel, please become a patron at my Patreon page down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.